All right, there I am, everybody's favorite uncle, Uncle Buddy. Had a little itch I wanted to scratch, so I went over to Veterans Lake and got some aerial video of the new apartments. They're looking pretty good, they're coming along. There ain't a door on one of them, so it's like when my dad caught me with the neighbor girl, took the door off my room. Anyway, that's neither here nor there, but y'all enjoy the video. Talk to y'all later. Have a great night, great day, great week. Bye now. See y'all later.